Hello dear fans. How to determine the IQ level. Tests for measuring the intelligence quotient, IQ, were developed in the middle of the last century, and since then their popularity has only grown. In this regard, at present, a variety of different scales and methods for assessing intelligence and its structure have appeared. Not all of them are objective and reliable. But with a desire and some perseverance, anyone can find a suitable test and pass it to find out the capabilities of their intellect. Instructions. Step 1. If you want not just to have fun, but to pass a specialized test in order to really get the most objective assessment of your intelligence, first of all, take care of creating the right conditions for this. The most adequate assessment of your intelligence can be helped by a professional psychologist who has the appropriate tools and is proficient in the methods of analyzing intelligence. Therefore, find the right specialist in your place of residence and seek a face-to-face consultation. Step 2. If individual work with a psychologist is impossible for you for any reason, you can test your intelligence yourself. However, keep in mind that it is very difficult to subjectively assess your capabilities. In addition, it is quite difficult to meet all the conditions for the correct passing of the test, which cannot but affect its results. And, nevertheless, do not immediately abandon your idea. Just try to follow all the instructions prescribed by the test as closely as possible. Step 3. The first thing you should do when doing your own research is finding the right tool. That is, the test itself, instructions for it and a transcript of the results. Among the variety of modern psychological tests for the study of intelligence, 3 of the most famous and reliable can be distinguished. Eysink's verbal test, Cattell's culture-free intelligence test, CFIT, Test for Structure of Intelligence, TSI, by R. Amthauer. You can find these tests in the library or on the internet. Keep in mind that you need not just a description of the tests, but a questionnaire with a list of tasks, instructions, and a scale of results. Start your search on the internet or seek advice from people in any way professionally connected with the field of psychology. Step 4. Having received all the necessary materials at your disposal, proceed to the research. Please note that the text on IQ should be carried out at a time when your physical and mental state is completely normal. Even a little fatigue, illness, internal or external anxiety can significantly distort the results. Also, take care of the test location. Throughout the work, you should be comfortable and you should not be distracted by anything. Step 5. Read the instructions for the test carefully. If you intend to take notes, prepare paper and writing materials, pens, pencils, in advance. Plus, you'll need a watch. Pay attention to what time the test is calculated for, and note the required interval. As much as you would like to spend more time when passing the test, do not give in, otherwise the results will be false. Step 6. During the test, read each task carefully, take your time, but also do not waste time. Keep in mind that most IQ tests are not designed to complete all assignments within the specified time frame. Therefore, do not panic if some of them remain unfinished, this is normal. After the end of the specified time, count the results in accordance with the table of answers and find out the result of your work. Thanks for watching.